Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to change the username of your Instagram profile. So if you want to change the username of your Instagram profile, first you need to log into that particular account on Instagram. Now after this you need to click on the edit profile option. Here you will see there is a option of username. Click on it. Now you need to enter your new username. After back pressing, and you need to enter your new username, and after entering your new username, please keep in mind you will be able to change your username after 14 days if you are recently changed this. So if I change the username now, I need to wait 14 days more in order to change it again. So once you have done, you need to click on this blue icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now after this you will find this type of a screen, and now you need to again click on the blue icon at the top right corner of the screen. After this your username will be changed and you have allotted with a new username if it was available. So this is the way to change username on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.